How to edit shortcut in Snapchat. Hi, for today we're back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to edit shortcut in Snapchat. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and check if your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and then check if there's an update button. Now if you see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. So we can now go to our tutorial. So first is you click on Snapchat. So it will actually lead you directly here to your camera. So what you want to do is to first take a picture. Let's say that one. And then on the lower part, you will see the next button, the yellow one. You click on that, and then on the upper right, you will see shortcuts be, um, beside the contacts. Then you click on shortcuts. Then if you already have the shortcuts, then just have to click on your shortcuts, and then basically you could remove someone there or just add another one from there and then save. So if you want to create a new shortcut or edit a shortcut, then you click on new shortcut and then you have to choose an emoji for that. One thing about this is you should not have the same emoji. Let's say that and then click on OK. So here we have already successfully created a shortcut and it's already in our list. And if you want to add someone again there or remove someone there, just tap on their name, and basically that is how you edit shortcut in Snapchat. So if this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.